Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath here there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch black alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB text interior with a natural grain gray oak wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 40, 20, 40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera with parking assistance package with sensors, navigation. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, change heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And you're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, NFC wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, or different parking cameras. This GLE has 40,657 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.